Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a eucalyptus leaf. Also joining us today is Zazel. She will be our little helper throughout the video today. So to get started, you are going to chain 11. Now, if you need help with any of the stitches in this video today, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do the stitches in this video. Now that you have your 11 chains, we're going to start off by doing 2 slip stitches. So 1, 2. Then we will work 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Then we will work 2 half treble crochets. Then we will work 3 treble crochets. And this little cutie patootie is going to block your view, but don't worry, it'll get a little bit better in a second. So much love. All right. Now we are going to work 10 double treble crochets, all within the last stitch. Now what makes this eucalyptus leaf fun to do is it's actually quite easy to make, so you can work up a quick bunch if you wanted to, but also the fact that you work down one side, then work up the other side on the chain 11. And a way to know where to put your stitch, you just look at the stitch on the other side and kind of just line it up from there to know where to insert your hook. Just take your time with it and it'll end up turning out amazing. I just know it. So here we are, coming up on the end of our 10 double treble crochets. We will work 3 treble crochets. So 1, 2, 3. Then we will work 2 half treble crochets. A double crochet, and then we'll finish off with a slip stitch. And it'll end up leaving the last 2 stitches unworked, which is fine because you'll fasten off your yarn here and tie in the loose end. And there you have it, how to make a eucalyptus leaf. Hopefully you enjoyed this video with Zazel and I. If you found it helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.